First, verify your microphone is properly connected and selected as the default input device in your system settings. This applies to Windows, PlayStation, Xbox, Android, or iOS. Next, ensure Fortnite has the necessary permissions to access your microphone. On PC, check your Windows privacy settings under Microphone and make sure Fortnite is allowed. On Android and iOS, confirm microphone permissions in the app settings for Fortnite. In Fortnite's audio settings, double-check that voice chat is enabled, set to the correct input and output devices, and that you're in the appropriate voice chat channel like party or game. Also, check your firewall settings. Firewalls blocking ports such as UDP 3478, 3480 can cause issues. If basic checks don't work, update your audio drivers. Outdated drivers can cause voice chat conflicts. Check both your system's audio drivers and any external headset drivers. Try restarting your device, whether it's a PC, console, or mobile phone. This refreshes the system and clears temporary glitches affecting voice chat. If using third-party overlays like Discord, disable them temporarily. They can interfere with Fortnite's voice chat functionality. Ensure your network connection is stable and check that no firewalls are blocking Fortnite's voice chat ports. Visit the Epic Games support website for ongoing issues. They release updates to fix voice chat problems and provide solutions for known bugs.